today's an exciting day because today is going to be my first spring tutorial of 2019. Spring and summer is when I am wanting my skin to look extra fresh, dewy, glowy. I mean, I want it to look like that all the time, but especially in spring and summer. So, my Too Faced Replenishing Primer. I'm gonna take 2 pumps of that because I need hydration. My face, I can't believe how much it loves this primer. We're just gonna let this soak in. Feels like it's getting there, it's getting a little bit more tacky. Another primer, this is the Becca backlight, I can never freaking say it. It's always a tongue twister to me. Becca Backlight Priming Filter. Goodness gracious. This primer is so pretty. It makes your face look like a giant pearl. Okay, you'll just be shining with dewiness and brilliance for the rest of the day. Ooh, look at that. Look at that glow. This is in the shade LC1. Woo! Foundation? No foundation. Ooh, yes. My skin is looking great. This is a great combo. Too Faced Naturally Radiant Concealer. Like I said before, springtime means glow time. Boop, 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 boop. Taking that same brush we used for the foundation, I've been getting into brushes. I actually don't remember the last time I used a makeup sponge. Look at that. My skin looks like gloss. We're gonna do cream contour and cream bronzer. This is my favorite way to buff out my contour is with a small buffer foundation brush. I like to bring my contour up, never down. You want to bring it up. Yes. How are we looking? Great. I love eyeshadow, but face makeup I think is my favorite part about makeup. All right, cream bronzer. I'm just gonna kind of dabble here on my nose just to give it a titch more warmth. I'm tapping this in instead of swiping like we did with the contour. Hello, warmth and livelihood. This just brings me so much joy. It brings me so much joy. I'm gonna go back in with my foundation brush. It doesn't have any excess product on it, and making sure just all the products are blended and melted in together. I'm just gonna lightly powder some areas on my face. This is the Essence All About Matte Waterproof Powder. I'm taking the Real Techniques setting brush. This is a great brush. Going under my eyes for all those itty bitty eye wrinkles I have right in this area. I'm powdering around my mouth because this is where a lot of the makeup leaves me throughout the day, so I find that powdering it just a little bit helps it stay put for longer. I only use a small amount of powder because when it does wear off, I can then still go back and reapply some of the makeup. Whereas if I really cake on the powder, there's no going back and I gotta redo my whole face. I saw this blush and I knew I had to use it in today's tutorial. Milani powder blush in the shade Tea Rose. I probably felt it was appropriate for today's video because it's a rose. It's spring. I don't like it as much as the Milani baked blushes, but this one is still really pretty. Light pop of pink. I am now gonna spray my face with this aloe spray from Badescu. This is one of my favorite sprays ever. Makes me feel very refreshed and like I am myself a cucumber. That spray also helps bring back dewiness to the skin that we might have taken away using some of that powder. For highlight, I am using my Flower Beauty Shimmer and Strobe highlighting palette. I am using the first shade right here. One of the reasons why I like to spray my face before applying highlight is so that the highlight pops even more. The highlight has something more to stick onto, therefore making it shine even more. And pop some right above my brow. Right above my brow. I do not want to take this any higher because I don't want to emphasize my forehead wrinkles. So I'm doing it right above the brow, below the brow, a little on the side, and then my main focus is right on the cheekbone in this area. Tell me you don't like highlight. Why would you not like highlight? Look at that shot right now. Love a good dewy glow, but I am scared to move to the East Coast because I feel like that is going to change real quick. This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe. I'm just lightly running through my brows. Right here, my brow is really straight, so I'm trying to make it more, ooh. See what I mean when my brow is so straight? I like to make that little loop-de-loop. I'll help you too, little brow, hold on. I'm gonna run some Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara in the shade Soft Browny Brows. Springtime to me, I like more softer, pastel-y, bright colors, specifically coral. I am gonna use the Naked Cherry palette. It does come with a brush. I'm gonna be using my own today. I'm gonna go in with the shade Juicy. Just wiggle some of that powder off. I'm actually tapping this product on because it is so fallouty and we did our face first. So I'm really trying to wiggle the fallout off, and then I am patting this in my crease. I am then going to take a big fluffy brush. This is the Essence Eye Blender brush. I love this brush. And I'm going to very lightly skim over this shade to blend it out because we don't like that harsh line that we just did. After blending both sides out, I am going to repeat the same thing. I'm packing on that Juicy shade and building the color back up in the crease. I'm going to also take that same shade and pat this on my lower lash line. A fluffy brush and gently blend over this once again. I'm wanting to slightly deepen this up, but I want to make sure I keep the corally shade we have going on. I'm going to go in with the shade Bing. I'm going to take this color on a small pencil brush. Put this right in my crease, pretty gently. I just want the slightest definition. Pack this right on my lower lash line. I'm not trying to smoke this out like I did with the Juicy shade. Taking the brush that we used to pat on Juicy, I'm not putting any more of that color on. I'm just going to pat and blend that Bing shade out. I'm going to put Bang Bang all over my lid. I'm just going to I mean, that's pretty, but I want a little bit more sparkle. So I am gonna go in with one of my Steele liquid eyeshadows. This is gonna be in the shade Kitten Karma. This is probably my favorite shade. I'm gonna take a flat concealer brush. It's more concentrated in my inner corner, but I'm really patting it out all over my lid. And then I'm gonna go back in with that Bang Bang shade and put it over just to tone down the glitter a notch. That is so gorgeous, putting that Bang Bang back on top. Wow, I really like that. I really think adding that Bang Bang back on top of the Steele eyeshadow was a great idea to bring back that pinky corally shade. I'm gonna use the pink and a little bit of that. eyeliner, I am using the Steele Slay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. This is in the shade Dark Brown. I want to use a dark brown with this look to keep it more natural looking. I'm just going to do a straight line across my lash line. These are the Tarte lashes in Goddess. As you can see, I've already measured them and cut off some of the ends because they are a tad too long for me. I popped on those lashes, and for mascara, I use the Wet n Wild Mega Slim Skinny Mascara. I really love this, especially for the lower lash line. Makes it so easy. Last step to do are my lips. First, going to be putting on the Meet Matte Hues Long Lasting Lipstick. This is in the shade Honest. And then I am going to top it off with my e.l.f. Beautifully Bare Satin Lipstick. This is in the shade Touch of Pink. I already know this is gonna be what I wear all the time, all spring long. I'm going to take my finger and start rubbing it in to make it look more soft. Alright, you guys, that is it for my first spring tutorial of the year. It's just so cute. It's still natural looking enough for you to be able to wear it every single day to work, to school. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that post bell notification. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Thanks. Bye-bye.